Are you tired of not having fresh, homegrown custard apples at your fingertips? Frustrated with store-bought fruits that lack the authentic taste and freshness you crave? Introducing the combo Custard Apples Plant/Sitaphal Plant Pack of 2. These plants, each measuring 10 centimeters in height, breadth, and length, are perfect for growing your own delicious custard apples right at home. Originating from India, these plants are easy to cultivate and thrive in various environments. Imagine the joy of picking fresh, juicy custard apples straight from your garden, enjoying their unique flavor and health benefits. Say goodbye to subpar store-bought fruits and hello to a lush, green garden filled with the bounty of nature. Click on the link given in the description to buy the product.